Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, that has been driven for 181,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior, offering a clean and classic look. Powered by a 5.0L V8, 305 cubic inch gasoline engine and equipped with a 2WD drivetrain, this truck delivers solid performance for daily use or light-duty work. The vehicle is equipped with several key features integrated into its design. It includes power windows, power door locks, and power side mirrors, making adjustments easy and practical. The air conditioning and heater system provide comfort in various weather conditions, while the power-adjustable cloth seats enhance riding convenience. Additionally, it comes with an OEM AM/FM radio for basic entertainment. Number 2. 1986 Ford F250, price $5,900, with only 55,000 miles, reflecting light usage for its age. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. Finished in a gray exterior with a striking red interior, this 2WD long bed truck combines vintage style with everyday practicality. The vehicle is reported to be in great driving condition with no mechanical issues, making it a dependable choice for both daily use and light-duty tasks. It is also equipped with functional air conditioning and heating systems, along with its original AM/FM radio, enhancing overall comfort and convenience. With its low mileage, solid performance, and well-preserved features, this truck stands out as a clean and reliable classic. Number 3. 2001 GMC 1500, price $8,900, that has been driven 120,000 original miles and comes with a clean title. It is powered by a 4.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth, responsive, and reliable driving experience. The vehicle features a classic black exterior combined with a clean gray interior, giving it a timeless and well-kept appearance. As a 2WD long bed truck, it provides ample cargo space, making it especially useful for hauling equipment, materials, or personal items. Running on gasoline, this GMC 1500 delivers the kind of durability and performance expected from a full-size pickup. The truck is equipped with a fully functional air conditioning and heating system, ensuring a comfortable ride in various weather conditions. It also includes a factory-installed AM/FM radio, providing simple and reliable in-cabin entertainment. Overall, this vehicle stands out as a well-maintained, dependable, and versatile truck that is ready to meet both work and everyday driving needs. Number 4. 2000 Ford F250, price $9,000, it has been driven 122,000 miles and comes equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a classic brown exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a simple yet functional appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck is reported to run and drive well, making it a reliable option for both daily use and work-related tasks. Its 4x4 system operates properly, providing added confidence and capability when driving on rough terrain or in challenging weather conditions. In addition to its solid performance, the truck is equipped with several practical features that enhance comfort and convenience. These include a fully functional air conditioning and heating system, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in various weather conditions, as well as a factory radio for basic entertainment. The vehicle also offers a long bed design combined with 2WD capability, making it suitable for hauling, transporting goods, or light-duty work. Overall, this Ford F250 presents itself as a strong, versatile, and functional truck that balances utility, reliability, and everyday usability. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500, powered by a 6.5L turbo diesel engine that has been professionally deleted and tuned to enhance both performance and efficiency. With 237,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a solid running truck paired with a smooth automatic transmission and 4WD capability, allowing it to handle a variety of road conditions, from daily driving to more demanding terrain. The exterior is finished in a clean white color, complemented by a bold red interior that gives the truck a unique and classic look. In terms of features, the truck offers ice-cold air conditioning for maximum comfort in warm weather, a functional sunroof that adds openness to the cabin, and fully working door buttons that reflect proper maintenance. As a long bed model, it also provides excellent cargo space, making it practical for work, hauling, or outdoor use. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 combines durability, utility, and comfort in one package, making it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable diesel truck with character and proven capability. Number 6. 1988 Dodge D150, price $10,000, showing 123,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck stands out with a clean and cohesive appearance that reflects its vintage appeal. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 318 gasoline engine known for its durability and solid performance, making it a reliable option for regular use. In addition to its strong mechanical foundation, this truck comes with convenient features such as power windows and power door locks, adding a touch of comfort to its classic design. It sits on wide 15x10 wheels that enhance its stance and road presence, while the Flowmaster exhaust system gives it a deep, aggressive sound that complements the V8 engine. Overall, this Dodge D150 offers a great balance between classic style and everyday usability. Number 7. 2001 Ford F250, price $4,800, that has been driven 180,000 miles and is equipped with a gasoline-powered 5.4L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, this truck runs and drives great, offering solid performance both on city roads and highways. The vehicle features a fully functional air conditioning and heating system, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. It is known for its powerful performance while still maintaining relatively good fuel efficiency for its class. All 4 tires are in excellent condition, and the truck shows no signs of oil leaks, mechanical issues, or warning lights on the dashboard, including the check engine light. Number 8. 1972 Ford F250, price $6,500. It has been driven approximately 999,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable automatic transmission, making it easy. The truck features a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a consistent and appealing vintage look. It runs on gasoline and is reported to run and drive great, showing that it has been well maintained over the years. Considering its age, the vehicle remains in impressive condition with almost no rust, which is quite rare for a truck of this era. It also comes with a clean title, ensuring a smooth ownership transfer. In addition, the truck is equipped with a rear bed cover, adding practicality for protecting cargo or enhancing its overall appearance. Overall, this Ford F250 offers a combination of classic charm, solid performance, and functional features, making it suitable both for daily use and as a collectible vehicle. Number 9. 1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $9,500. It has been driven 121,000 miles and comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 2.4-liter 2RZ fuel-injected 16-valve engine, known for its durability and fuel efficiency. Finished in a clean white exterior with a blue interior, the truck maintains a completely stock setup, with the only addition being a Tommy lift installed in the 6-foot, 81-inch bed, which is fully functional and enhances its utility. The vehicle also features a cold air conditioning system, a very effective heater, and an AM/FM/CD audio system, ensuring comfort in various driving conditions. All components of the truck are reported to be working properly, and it comes with a clean title, making it ready for immediate use. With its combination of low mileage, manual transmission, efficient gasoline engine, and practical bed with lift, this Tacoma stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable, fuel-efficient pickup that can handle everyday tasks while maintaining long-term reliability. Number 10. 1978 Jeep J20, price $10,000, with 134,000 miles, presented as a solid and well-maintained Southern vehicle. It is powered by a built AMC 401 engine equipped with a performance cam, Edelbrock aluminum intake, and carburetor, along with an HEI distributor for improved ignition reliability. The truck features a built 3-speed TorqueFlite 727 transmission and a rebuilt Quadratrac transfer case, contributing to its dependable drivetrain performance. The interior has been refreshed with new carpet and seats re-upholstered in OEM-style leather covers, enhancing both comfort and appearance. Structurally, the truck remains in strong condition, with rust limited to typical areas on the bedsides, while the frame, undercarriage, and bed are free from rot. Overall, this vehicle stands out for its combination of upgraded engine components, reliable transmission system, refreshed interior, and solid rust-free structure, making it a capable, road-ready classic pickup suitable for long trips.